Alright, I'm going to show you what's going on here when I push the on button. Hold on. Yeah. Oof. But it's not lighting all the way up. It's trying. I don't know why. Come on, baby. It is so trying. Just will not light up. I think the propane should be fine because it's getting propane because it goes whoosh. So yeah, it's flaming right there. So why else would it not light up? That is my question. Alright, now it stops. It only tries it so many times and it stops. Alright, got any answers on that one? We'll work that out. It's 23 out today, so I think maybe the cold still having something to do with it. But alright, let me know what you think. Stay safe and warm and stay cool, or stay safe and warm.